In the spring of 2023, Bureau of Land Management fire crews burned juniper trees, cut in 2021, to restore the sage-steppe landscape in the giant expanse of Owyhee County in southwest Idaho. The spring burning projects are a key part of the Bruneau-Owyhee Sage Grouse Habitat project, known as BOSH for short, a collaborative partnership of state and federal agencies, wildlife advocacy groups, and private landowners seek to restore the native upland landscapes to a more natural condition, benefiting sage grouse, songbirds, antelope, spotted frogs, and other wildlife. The BOSH project is unprecedented in scope and scale. 30,000 acres of state and federal lands are being treated per year to halt juniper encroachment. The value of improving sage-steppe habitat for sage grouse and other critters inspired the BOSH team to go big. New scientific research has shown that conifer encroachment is the number 2 threat to sagebrush ecosystems, just behind the threat of invasive annual plants like cheatgrass. When junipers take over the landscape, other native plants suffer, studies show. Over the last 30 years, 104,742 tons of herbaceous production have been lost to juniper encroachment in the BOSH project area. However, the land bounces back quickly following treatments. An increase of 5,000 tons of herbaceous production occurs per year.